it's Tony, your Pop Pop's Workshop, and today we're talking about being overwhelmed in the shop. Sometimes things go well, right? Got this put together with minimal muss and fuss, and was able to upgrade my dust collection system. You probably saw a video on that. That's great, but that is not how my shop experience works. Most of the time, I'm as overwhelmed as somebody in a shop missing a 10mm socket. We've all been there. You go in, it should be there, it's not there, you can't get anything done. So we've got remnants of started projects. You have seen me talk about this toolbox my brother-in-law made for me and left it partly undone, and it is still partly undone because I've only been able to tinker on it in pieces. So it's still in pieces. Very exciting news. We entered the age of lasers in our shop, and I have yet to squirrel away the time to get it put together. Now, I don't think it'll take a long time, but I did read through the instructions. Yes, I read the instructions because for me it's going to be necessary to read the instructions. A lot of moving parts, and I want to put it together right, which means I need to have the time. Well, as many of you know, I started working at the Woodcraft in Iowa City a lot. It was going to be a part-time job. I liked it. They needed a little extra help, and I was more than happy to spend a little bit more time in the store looking at all the things that I'd love to have in my shop. So it's kind of it's a cutting edge. Spend time there means less time in the shop. Spend time there means more stuff I want to put in the shop to spend less time with in the shop. So yeah, we'll figure that out. So that's the dilemma we're facing. A little overwhelmed, a little bit of a time crunch at times. It's a busy season, especially when you're selling things for other woodworkers. It gets a little chaotic at times because everybody wants what's out there in their shop. Rightly so. It's great stuff. So if you get a chance, you're in the Iowa City area, you're at the over on that side of town, stop into the Woodcraft and say hello to me if I happen to be in there. And otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching this video. We never want to take for granted that you've done that. You spent time with us. We're truly grateful for that. So hopefully you're having fun in your shop and not as overwhelmed. And hopefully you have all of your 10mm sockets and wrenches. And remember, you can do this.